Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually save a meal inside of your Myfitnesspal application. So guys, if you are using mobile phones, you can go to App Store if you're on iPhone and download this application, or else you can just go to Android Google Play and install it. If you are using PCs just like I am, you can just go to any kind of browsers like Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Mozilla, Internet Explorer, and so go on, and open the URL section and write www.myfitnesspal.com. This page shall be open, but not as you can see it here. First of all, you will need to sign up. So just go there and sign up, create account, email, password, and then answer some information like your weight, your height, your date of birth, and then your goal. And after that, you have to answer some couple other questions, and just like so, your account will be created. So how you can actually add the meal and save it? You just have to go through food over here, or just go here to add food. So let's say, for example, we can go here and add a food. Here there is five meals, which are like, or the three main meals are breakfast, lunch, dinner. So let's say, for example, we want to add a meal for breakfast. Click on add food, go here and search, for example, for a meal like, I don't know, you can search for fried eggs, and here you will find like fried eggs, and you can save it. If you want to have, and as you can see here, it has been added. If you want to have your own meal, which are here, where you can find it here, you just have to like go to, I don't know, like you can have to create your own recipe, and then from your own recipe you have to add your my meals. So, and after that, you'll be able to add your meals directly through here. As you can see, if I go to add food, you can see that I have already here some meals that are ready to use instead of searching for them. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually save your meals in MyFitnessPal. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.